When upgrading or replacing windows in League City, Texas, selecting the right frame material is one of the most important decisions a homeowner can make. The frame not only supports the glass but also affects insulation, maintenance, aesthetics, and overall durability, especially given the area's coastal humidity and heat. Let's explore the top frame materials available and what makes each one suitable, or not, for League City properties. Vinyl frames. Energy efficiency meets affordability. Vinyl window frames are a popular choice among League City homeowners for their balance of performance and price. Made from polyvinyl chloride, PVC, they provide excellent insulation, ideal for keeping indoor temperatures stable during Texas's hot summers. They also resist moisture, which helps prevent warping or rotting in humid conditions. Benefits: excellent thermal insulation for energy savings, low maintenance, no painting or sealing required, affordable compared to other materials, resistant to salt air and humidity considerations. While vinyl is durable, it can expand and contract slightly with temperature changes. For homeowners prioritizing premium aesthetics or color variety, vinyl frames offer limited customization compared to wood or fiberglass. Aluminum frames. Strength and sleek modern appeal. For homeowners seeking a modern look with slim profiles, aluminum window frames are an attractive option. They are known for their strength and lightweight design, making them ideal for large window openings that allow more natural light into League City homes. Benefits: high strength to weight ratio for larger windows, span, sleek, modern aesthetic, low maintenance and corrosion resistant when treated considerations. Although aluminum is durable, it's not the most energy efficient material. It conducts heat, meaning it can let in warmth during summer unless equipped with a thermal break. This makes insulated aluminum frames or those with thermal barriers a smarter choice for energy-conscious homeowners in League City. Wood frames. Timeless beauty and natural insulation. Wood window frames have long been admired for their natural warmth and classic appearance. They provide excellent insulation and can be customized with paints or stains to complement any home style, from traditional to coastal craftsman designs seen throughout League City neighborhoods. Benefits: superior insulation properties, classic aesthetic appeal and high customization, long-lasting when properly maintained considerations. Wood requires regular upkeep, painting, sealing, and protecting against moisture, to prevent rot and warping in the Gulf Coast climate. Homeowners seeking the look of wood without the upkeep might consider clad wood frames, which combine a wood interior with an aluminum or vinyl exterior shell. Fiberglass frames. The premium all-weather option fiberglass window frames have gained popularity for combining strength, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. They can mimic the appearance of painted wood but withstand League City's intense sun, humidity, and temperature swings better than most materials. Benefits: excellent insulation and weather resistance, expands and contracts minimally with temperature changes, can be painted for aesthetic flexibility, extremely durable and long-lasting considerations. Fiberglass windows tend to cost more upfront, but their energy efficiency and longevity often provide a better return on investment over time. Composite frames. The best of both worlds. Composite window frames blend materials like wood fibers and polymers to offer the beauty of wood and the resilience of synthetic materials. They are well suited for the humid Gulf Coast climate, providing energy efficiency and style without high maintenance demands. Benefits: excellent energy performance, resistant to rot, moisture, and warping, available in a variety of finishes and styles considerations. Composite frames can be pricier than vinyl or aluminum, but their combination of durability and appearance makes them a strong contender for homeowners seeking long-term value. Making the right choice for your League City home. Selecting the ideal window frame material depends on your property's style, energy efficiency goals, and maintenance preferences. For coastal environments like League City, homeowners often prioritize moisture resistance, durability, and insulation. Vinyl and fiberglass offer excellent performance for the price, while wood and composite provide timeless beauty for those willing to invest a little more. To ensure you get the best results, consult with a local window installation expert who understands the unique climate conditions of League City. A professional can help you choose the right frame material, glass type, and design to enhance your home's comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal for years to come.